Welcome to Jazzy Kitchen. So today we are gonna make chicken wrap. Yeah. Seeing. So as you can see, me already have some chicken nuggets in the pot. I'm going to fry up. But you don't have to use chicken nuggets, right? You can use some overnight fried chicken or any chicken, home style chicken or whatever you have. Seeing, yeah man. And this are the wrap one I use. Yeah, you can get the wrap at any store, any grocery store, any store you shop. Alright, so I now get them done fry and also I just go ahead and take them out of the pot. This is optional where you can take them out and put them on a napkin to soak out the oil. But I'm not going to do that today. So I'm going to go ahead now and chop up some onion, tomato and sweet pepper. As I can see, it's just a small piece of each, you know, one cut of onion, one slice of tomato and just a piece of sweet pepper, because I'm just making one wrap today, so don't need a lot. I went ahead and cut up the onion, tomato and the sweet pepper. Yeah man, so we're gonna leave that there for now. We'll move on to a sauce. So what I have here in the sauce is some mayonnaise and some ketchup. Yeah man. And for my dry seasoning I have cayenne pepper, some all-purpose seasoning and some salt. Yeah man. Well, you don't have to use the cayenne pepper. You know some persons use black pepper, but today I'm going to use the cayenne pepper. Alright, so we'll go ahead and add in some all-purpose seasoning, about half tablespoon. And the same thing for the cayenne pepper. And just a pinch of salt, not a lot, because as you know, the all-purpose seasoning already brings salt, so just a pinch of salt to taste. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a spoon now and give this a thorough mix. Yeah man, this is the consistency I want to see. Yeah man, nice and creamy. Yeah, now everything mix up in your sauce. I will go ahead now and add it on your wrap. And there's a slight technique to this. Add it in the middle. Well, you have some persons them add it to the edges, depending on how they wrap it, but this is what I do. Yeah man, just get a nice little, yeah. Alright, so this is what you want on your wrap. Give them nuggets here, some cut up. You can dice them, because as you know, we are going to add them to a wrap, so you're going to want to dice them a bit. Alright, now we have our nuggets diced. We'll go ahead and add them on the wrap. Alright, so this is the nuggets on the wrap with a sauce. Yeah man, looking nice. Alright, so now we have this in place. We'll go ahead and add our ground vegetables, which is our onion, tomato and sweet pepper. So you go just sprinkle it over it. Yeah man, you don't want everything settle up one place, you know. So you just go ahead and sprinkle it over the chicken or nuggets in this case. Do the same thing with the tomato. Same with the green pepper or bell pepper, some people call it. Yeah, probably look a bit messy, but yeah, you not eat it like this, it go wrap. So it doesn't really matter how it looks now. Alright, so you have all your seasoning in, you have your tomato and your green pepper and your onion in. Alright, so this is optional as well. You can also add cheese to it if you like cheese, and you can add lettuce. I don't have any lettuce now, so you can still do like this without the lettuce. Still have that wonderful taste. Alright, so we'll go ahead and wrap this now. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this now. You wanna tuck in the first end. Don't be afraid to squeeze it. Turn. You will pinch the end and bend and squeeze. Do the same for the other end. Pinch, bend, squeeze. So I went ahead and add my wrap to the flat pot. Alright, so you just turn your stove to medium heat. Right, and you can cook each side with about 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, so show you when this finish. Yeah man, so when your wrap finish, this is how you want it to look. Yeah man, not too burn, not too black, perfect. Yeah man.